Hello mga ka-tester. Today is another day, another video I'm going to share with you. Okay, today we have a sponsor again. Okay, I'm going to shout out the guy who gave this one to us, Mr. Gerson. Mr. Gerson, Happy New Year. Thank you very much for this device. Okay, today we're just going to unbox this one here. This is FireTv Stick 4K. Wow! I never have this one. This is the first time I'm going to have this one. Okay, we're going to review this one soon. Okay, today is only unboxing. Okay, once again, I'm going to shout out Mr. Gerson. Mr. Gerson, thank you for this device. Okay, 4K, wow, this is a nice one. Okay, we're going to unbox this one. Okay, there's a user manual. I think this is the charging cable, charging adapter, okay, this is the stick, the remote, two battery, and HDMI adapter. Okay, this is the FireTv stick from Amazon. Okay, this one is going there. This one is going here. Going to the TV. Okay, that's all. This is easy setup. I hope this one is gonna be good device. I never tried this one yet because that's why I never tried this one. It's a small memory, but there's a tweak on this one here to make it more memory. Right now I'm waiting for some something that they send us to test it. It's more gadgets, like I think it says adapter and USB stick to put more memory in this one here. I'm going to try, please try that one, how to do it and show it to us. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. We're going to test this thing soon. Okay, this is the regular IR remote. Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Gerson, for this device. I hope you have a good New Year. Okay, and Happy New Year to everybody too. Okay, this is the unboxing. Thank you very much and have a nice New Year. Happy New Year, guys. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.